Sometimes during Windows installation you may get a GPT or MBR errors. In this video I will show you how to fix that problem. The fastest way is just delete partitions on the selected disk. Remember, after this section all your data on that disk will be lost. Now select unallocated space and press Next. If it didn't work, press Shift and F10 buttons at the same time. Then you need to type Diskpart, list disk. We will see a list of your connected disks, including USB flash drive. You must select the drive where Windows will be installed. To select drive, type cell disk and disk number. In my case, for example, this is disk 0. Then type clean, which means that all your data on selected disk will be lost. So be careful. Then type convert, GPT or MBR. The format to convert you can check in error message. In my case, disk must be converted to MBR, as you can see on your screens. So I type convert MBR. Now you can close the window. Click refresh button. If you need, you can create partitions. If not, just select unallocated space and press next. That's all. Your problem is solved. If this video helps, please press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later. Bye.